03 to 08 Corolla, completely gutted. But I actually need the bottom of this fuse box because mine was totally brittle. And whenever I removed my air box and took this piece off, it broke it and just shattered it into a bunch of pieces. So I'm gonna pop this out. All right, clean that up a little bit. Here's my broken fuse box holder. So I got the replacement piece to fix this. Just a couple 10mm bolts, one right here and one right there. Let me just pop it off of here. So that thing is completely broken, not even a single clip. And replacement piece right here. All right, so with this piece on the inside here, now it clips in nice and easy. And fuse box holder, new and improved. Gonna stay nice and dry. Thank you very much.